Hello everyone, this is Reggie Patterson and welcome to this week's Tuesday tip. This week I want to talk about what you should be putting into the PLR content that you use, so let's go ahead and get started. Now we've talked a lot about context tonight, and I said that I wasn't going to spend as much time on content and what you put into the PLR, but we do need to spend a little bit of time on this because there is an important element that you need in order to make your PLR unique. And so as I said, PLR is raw material. So it's not the end-all be-all. It's not the product all by itself. It is raw material that you use in order to turn it into a great offer for somebody who wants something that you have to sell them. So again, never think of any PLR product all by itself, that it's going to do the job for you. It's not made for that. If you're going to purchase products, let's say you want to get products that will do more of the heavy lifting for you. Start thinking about purchasing products that are going to save you time because they're already in an area you know. Or purchase PLR in areas where you have credibility. So in other words, yes, you can buy products where you might use most of that product in order to sell. If you do that, just make sure there's going to be an area that you know well or that you've got credibility because you don't have to work as hard in order to convert it. And so when you start talking about verifying information, you need to be able to look at it and know, hey, this is accurate, this is not. If you get something outside of your area of expertise, that's going to be difficult to do, right? So there's never going to be a substitute, PLR or otherwise, for someone who knows what they're talking about. Never. So basically this kind of comes back to making sure you're working and operating in areas that you know well and that you're not jumping around in terms of topics. You're not jumping around in terms of what you're going to be doing with the marketplace. You're kind of focused, and that's really going to make it easier when you start talking about using PLR. And so we're doing all of these things so that we can generate repeat customers. This is why we do all of these things, right? We're not doing these things so we can offer the most stuff for the cheapest. We're offering these things so that we can give people the best value, and they're willing to pay for that value from us. Okay, remember, you can get access to our newsletter at IamProfitsCoach.com. And if you are interested in learning more about how you can use PLR to grow your traffic and profits, my team has put together a special training course that shows you exactly how to do that. You can check it out by going to impc.ws/PPL if you're interested in that. Also, be sure to take a look at our Digital Retirement Rebels Insiders Club at impc.ws/14day. Okay, so with that, thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you next time. Take care.